What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the supply left for the Galaxy S20. Now, I've been talking about this over the last, since it's been released, if it's been able to be pre-ordered or if it's going to be delayed once you do pre-order, like in terms of the release date. The release date in your hand is supposed to probably be about March 5th or 6th. Well, there was a tweet put out by Ice Universe who says the supply of the Galaxy S20 Ultra appears to be in short supply, with predetermined quantities exceeding expectations and key component production not high. Now, on Samsung's website, if you want the 128GB version of the Ultra phone, you can still get it. It'll still arrive, on March 5th or 6th. It'll ship on March 4th. So that's not really a big thing. So if you want 512 though, that's another story. So the 512 is starting to get backed up in terms of mid-March, late March, depending upon if it's the unlocked or the carrier. But regardless, if you've seen this tweet today or you're thinking about getting the Galaxy S20 and you want it on launch, obviously purchase it now. You'll get it sooner than later. Speaking of the ship date for the Galaxy S20, Samsung's website says March 4th. Well, what about Sprint? A viewer of mine sent me a screenshot showing his Galaxy S20 5G 128GB order in Cosmic Gray. Expected ship date March 3rd, which is a day earlier than Samsung. As these obviously come out, I want you guys to just reach out to me and let me know if yours shows different and when yours actually ships. The iPhone 9/SE2, which is their budget iPhone, is due to be launched very, very soon. And these are gonna be supposedly the colors. And as you can see, these colors, you get black, red, white, pink, blue, and a yellow color. For me, that blue color is crazy awesome. That like midnight type blue, almost looks purple, like a dark purple. Amazing. I would love that on a phone. I hope that comes to other phones. That's a beautiful color. What do you guys think out of these 6 colors? Which one is the best? And the last story of the day is about Android 11, which is the successor to Android 10, and it's on Samsung devices. There is a Geekbench site score showing that a Galaxy S10 Plus visited Geekbench and had Android R, also known as Android 11, on it. Now, for me, the big takeaway on this is Android 11, the beta version, is already out for Google devices. Could this also be coming out very, very soon or within the next few months on Galaxy devices? I'm thinking it probably could and probably might. Google does work with other partners, such as they had in the past. They've worked with Essential and OnePlus, and those devices you could early download the newest version of Android onto those devices. It looks like Samsung could be one of those next companies doing the same thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, if Google and Samsung release Android 11 a lot sooner, even before Google devices get it on Samsung and you can sign up for the beta, would you do it? Let me know in the comments down below. I would potentially do it depending upon how buggy it is. So let me know what you guys would do. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.